Good morning, students. In previous class, we have discussed about different types of venations present in leaves, and two activities are also explained in previous class. The activities are observation of stomata in leaves and transpiration process. Children, now we are discussing about functions of leaf. What are the functions of leaf in plants? Leaves play an important role in the life of plants. Leaves help in transpiration. Leaves also help in respiration and leaves prepare food by the process of photosynthesis in plants. Photosynthesis in plants. These are the functions of leaf. What are the functions of leaf in plants? Leaves play an important role in the life of plants. Leaves help in or leaves carry out transpiration. Leaves also help in respiration process. Leaves can prepare food by the process of photosynthesis in plants. Do you know, children? Pottikalu is a traditional food of Konaseema of Godavari district. Pottikalu. It is one type of food item. Pottikalu is a traditional food in Konaseema area of Godavari districts. Leaves of jackfruits. Leaves of jackfruits trees are used in the preparation of Pottikalu food. Children, listen. Pottikalu is a traditional food of Konaseema of Godavari district. Leaves of jackfruit tree are used in its preparation. They make cups with these leaves. And fill them with butter made of black gram and rice rava or idli rava. These cups are steamed to get Pottikalu food. Pottikalu food can be taken with any chutney like that of idli or dosa. Pottikalu are healthy and delicious with jackfruit flavor. Okay, children. In plants, different parts are present. They are roots, leaves, stems and flowers. All parts of the plants carry out different functions essential for the whole plant. There are diverse from plants in nature, and plants adapt themselves to the different conditions in nature in different ways. For example, while stems usually support the plant body, in some plants they adapt and store food. Children, listen carefully. Most plants around us have different plant parts. They are roots, leaves, flowers and fruits. And stem. These are the different parts present in plant. What are the parts present in plant? Roots, leaves, flowers, fruits and stem. These are the different parts present in plants. These parts carry out different functions. These parts carry out different functions essential for the plant. Okay, children. They are diverse from plants in nature, and plants adapt themselves to different conditions in nature. They carry different ways. For example, while stem usually support the plant body, in some plants, stem adapt and store food materials. Okay, children? Now, we discuss another important part, flowers. Flowers are the another important parts of the plant body. Okay, in different plants, flowers are different in colors. In different plants, flowers are different in colors. The flower has colored part, it is known as petals. In flowers, colored parts are present. The colored parts of the flower is known as petals. Petals attract insects for pollination and produce fruits. Children, in flowers, petals are the colored parts. Petals attract insects for pollination and produce fruits. Okay, children, we can grow different types of flowering plants in our gardens. Why we cultivate different types of flowering plants in our garden? Because they give beauty to our garden. Okay, children? Flowers are the another important parts of the plant. Flowers has colorful parts. These colorful parts are known as petals. Petals attract insects for pollination and produce fruits. Children, we can cultivate different types of flowering plants in our garden. Why we cultivate different types of flowering plants in our garden? Because they give the beauty to our garden. Okay, children? Okay? Thank you.